Hello, Kansas City, Missouri. The Gutter Guys are ready to provide your home with the ultimate gutter guard protection. Residents of Kansas City, Missouri understand the necessity of high-quality gutter guards due to our dynamic weather. Our products are tailored to withstand intense storms and reduce the hassle of gutter cleaning. Turn to the Gutter Guys for professional gutter guard installations in Kansas City, Missouri. Our solutions are designed to offer maximum protection, ensuring that your home's foundation and landscaping are secure. Are you tired of constantly cleaning out your gutters? It's a chore that no homeowner enjoys. Gutter guards are an innovative solution designed to eliminate the need for frequent gutter cleaning. These guards fit over your existing gutters and are engineered to block leaves, debris, and even the smallest particles from entering your gutter system. Imagine never having to worry about water damage from clogged gutters again. Gutter guards protect your home from the foundation up, preventing costly water damage and reducing soil erosion around your property. By ensuring that water flows freely away from your home, gutter guards maintain the integrity of your roof, walls, and landscaping. Moreover, gutter guards can save you money over time. By reducing the need for professional cleaning services and preventing expensive water damage repairs, they offer a cost-effective solution to one of homeownership's most tedious tasks. Ready to stop cleaning and start saving? Contact the Gutter Guys today at 863-320-6605 or visit us online at thegutterguys.lc to learn more and get a free quote. Protect your home efficiently and economically with our top-quality gutter guards. We appreciate your interest in the Gutter Guys, Kansas City, Missouri. Thank you for letting us be your choice for comprehensive gutter protection. Stay dry and secure with our expert solutions.